me, Audrey, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are talking about a book that is sweet as it sounds, which is Chocolate Chip Hips by Aguilanera. So, if you love stories that talk about self-acceptance, friendship, and embracing who you are, keep watching. So, Ang Chocolate Chip Hips is a fun yet inspiring young adult novel written by Aguilanera, published in 2015. Ang story nito is about Jessie, isang 16 years old girl who is shy, overweight at madalas nag-overthink sa iniisip ng iba sa kanya. Mahilig siya mag-baking at vice president siya ng baking club nila sa school. Pero isang araw, nung summer, nagbago ang lahat na mag-emergency sa pamilya niya. Napagtanto niya na life is too short para mabuhay sa autopilot. Kaya naman, she decided to step out of her comfort zone from ditching the apron to wearing a tank top. She finds herself in the world of hip-hop dancing, leading her to new friendships, stronger family bonds, and isang chance to be part of her school's most elite dance club, the Hoopers. This novel explores themes of self-discovery, body image, family relationship, and finding your voice. Hindi lang ito simpleng kwento ng weight loss, it's about empowerment, confidence, and learning to embrace your true self despite societal expectation. Isa rin ito sa mga dahilan kung bakit maraming readers ang nagkakagusto dito sa libro na to. Dahil sa sobrang relatable sa mga characters at ang ganda ng mga message na gusto nitong iparating. So let's talk about the story. Jessie's life is simple, but everything changed when her dad suffers a mild stroke. Dahil dito nag-decide sila pareho to take their health seriously at magbawas ng timbang. Pero habang ginagawa niya to, may bago siya natuklasan. Ang passion niya for hip-hop dancing. Excited siya i-pursue ito, pero hindi naging madali ang journey niya. Maraming struggles, lalo na sa relationship niya with her best friend Kim, na parang hindi masaya sa mga pagbabago sa kanya. But on the bright side, she meets new people like Dave, who encourage her to keep pushing forward. This book beautifully tackles the themes of body image, self-love, and friendship. Nakuha ko talaga yung feeling of rooting for Jessie all the way through her transformation. Not just physically, but emotionally and mentally. I'm proud of her how she was able to comfortable in her own skin and dance like no one was watching. Isa pang thing I love about the book is how Jessie finds balance. Hindi niya pinilit magbago para lang mag-fit in, kundi ginawa niyang pagkakataon ito to rediscover herself. At the end of the story, Jessie realized that it's not about the number on the scale. It's about her confidence, her strength, and ability to pursue her passion without fear. Reading Chocolate Chip Hips made me realize how much pressure we put on ourselves dahil sa mga expectations ng society, lalo na pagdating sa body image. But this book reminds us that our worth is not defined by our appearance. Jessie's journey is a powerful reminder na ang pinakamahalagang transformation ay yung nagmumula sa loob natin. Confidence, self-love, at pagiging totoo sa sarili. If you're looking for a feel-good story that also inspires, I definitely recommend this book. It's light, funny, and heartwarming, but it also teaches valuable lessons about self-love, friendship, and the power of following your dreams. And that's all for today's book review. Thank you for watching, and remember, keep your dancing to your own routine. See ya! Bye!